Welcome to Physics at a Park. Today we will be discussing Newton's 3 laws and some other physics stuff.
Now we're going to show you a clip about how Newton's first law of motion works. Objects in motion will stay in motion unless acted upon by an outside force. And objects at rest will stay at rest unless acted upon by an outside force.
As you can see, objects in motion will stay in motion unless acted upon by an outside force being the ground.
Now, a word from our sponsors.
It's our birthday today. I wonder what we got.
I know.
I'm so excited.
Happy birthday, Jasmine!
An iPod Touch is just what I wanted.
Happy birthday, Shanaina, you piece of crap!
A pair of socks? I've had a pair of socks for the past 15 years. You always get the good stuff. I hate you. Get an iPod Touch. Hi, are you tired of Newton's first law happening to you? Well, now, with the new Newton's first law stopper, your worries are free. It stops from iPods to cell phones to anything. It'll stop them from falling and breaking. Buy it now for $9.99. Call the number.
How Newton's first law stopper works is instead of an object falling and breaking, it comes back up right before it hits the ground, defying Newton's first laws one day at a time.
Now here's a clip from Newton's second law. Newton's second law states that acceleration and net force are directly proportional and in the same direction, and that acceleration and mass are inversely related. Notice that even though the same force is applied, the object with the smaller mass will have more acceleration than the object with the larger mass.
You can also find Newton's third law at a park as well.
Newton's third law states that for every action force, there is an equal and opposite reaction force.
Now we'll show you a video of how Newton's third law really works.
In this clip, you can see Taylor pushing Laura on the swings. But Newton's third law says that Laura is also pushing Taylor with an equal and opposite force. Ball hits bat, bat hits ball. Bat hits baby, baby hits bat.
Hi, Kaylee here. Are you tired of slipping and letting innocent babies fly into cars? Well, now, with the new Adidas frictions, you will never have to worry about that ever again. They prevent you from slipping and sliding everywhere. The bottom to this dynamic shoe prevents you from falling and slipping everywhere. There's so much friction that you can't even slip on a banana peel. Ready? Watch. Wow, I didn't even slip on the banana peel. These shoes are great. So much friction. I love them. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes?
I see you're wearing the new Adidas frictions.
Yes, I love my Adidas frictions. I never fall anymore, and I used to always fall. The more friction, the less slipping.
These shoes can be yours for 3 payments of $29.99. Buy now.
Some more physics found at a park is centripetal force.
Centripetal force is a center-directed force that causes an object to move in a curved, sometimes circular path.
Now that you see Taylor in a circular motion, you can tell that her feet are moving faster than the rest of her body. That's because it has to cover a bigger distance in the same amount of time, which means the force is greater. This proves force is greater towards the outside of an object when it is traveling in a circular path. Center of mass is when the object's mass is evenly distributed, and when in circular motion, the rest of the object's mass will rotate around the center of mass, which will form an arch when in the air. Taylor's center of mass is probably located somewhere around her belly button.
There was a hole there. And we're neighbors too and everything.
on a banana peel.